Hello everyone. As the CMA exam dates are nearing, I hope all of you are quite ready to attend your exam and give your best. So, I am here to give you some tips on how to use the 8 to 10 hours, 8 to 10 effective hours before each of your exam. We have our exams on from 11, 12, 13, right? So, on all the days, you have one subject. So you will have around 8 to 10 effective hours between two exams. And this effective hours, you have to use it smartly. This can be a game changer for you. First thing is, you have only 8 to 10 hours. So you cannot read the entire study material. No. Do not strain yourself reading the entire study material and then getting perplexed because you are not able to finish on time. Rather, concentrate on MCQs. MCQs 30 marks, a big cracker for you. So you need to concentrate on MCQs. Try to just revise the MCQs which is given in your study material. It will be of great use for you in the exam. The second thing is you cannot read the entire study material, but you need to revise the important topics. So use your scanner. If you have purchased a scanner, use your scanner as your base to identify the important topics and the important questions that has come repeatedly in your exam. And that you can use as a base, and only those important topics you need to revise now. Just revise on those scanner based questions, scanner based MCQs. If there are some MCQs in the scanner, that also you can try to cover. Third one is, what is your strength in each of the subject? For example, if I am taking law and your strength is company law, give more importance to company law. Try to cover the important topics in company law. Just if you have marked the whenever you study, I always tell my students to mark, to highlight the study material wherever they find important terminologies, so you can just refresh on those aspects. So whatever is your strength, you try to refresh on those topics. Fourth one, what happens to papers like accounts and costing? You cannot sit and solve the scanner and in 8 to 10 hours, right? So for these papers, I would suggest concentrate on the approach or methodology. Take your scanner or you pass question papers with the suggested answers, read the question, okay, and you try to figure out how you would have approached that question. If it is a partnership question, okay, how I would have approached, I would have prepared a capital account, then I would have prepared a current account, then I would have calculated goodwill. If it is an incomplete record question, then what all accounts should have been prepared to arrive at the answer. See how you have to approach the question. See the answer also, how how they have answered, how they have approached and that question and given the answer. See if the approaches are matching, because at this point you have to concentrate on the approach or the methodology, because that will be very useful for you in the exam. If you get a similar question, you will know right away, okay, this is an incomplete record question, so first I have to prepare a opening balance sheet, I need to calculate the capital, and then I need to calculate, I need to prepare a bank account. So you will right away know which are the accounts that has to be prepared, how it has to be approached. So approach is something that you can concentrate on 8 to 10 hours before your exam, especially with respect to accounts, costing, and any kind of practical question paper. With respect to theory, you concentrate on the important topics, on your strengths. Okay, important topics, and among the important topics, what are your strengths? What are your strong points? So concentrate on those areas, just revise those areas in connection with the scanner. So if you are taking company law, okay, there is a question from director appointment. Okay, so that is an important question. So connect that with the company law and then read that. So do not stress yourself too much the day before the exam if you don't get a question, or if you are trying to answer a question from scanner and you did not attempt it correctly. It doesn't matter. Okay, just take a chill pill and be very calm and give your best for in your exam. Whatever you have studied over the time, that will come to you when you go in and sit on the exam chair. So all the best, and do your best and leave the rest. Thank you so much.